So this is basically the login page of our project. Firstly, we will log in through a registered email, which is already been registered. Firstly, we will put a incorrect password. So when password is incorrect, it showing invalid credential, which is correct. So now we will put a correct password. This one is the correct one. So it open. It is the dashboard of user. So this is the dashboard. Here you will see the upcoming trips, completed trips and the pending payments, वगैरह, all those things. Then comes my bookings, OTP and review options. Then comes the trip planner part, the most important part of user profile. Like would like to visit Delhi. So here we will select the Delhi location, our trip start date and end date. So accordingly, the system will plan the itinerary. The radius system is for it will cover all the main locations which are at the 50-kilometer radius from the main railway station of Delhi. It is processing. Takes some time. Yes, the results are there. These are the places. So 14 places it had listed. It includes Humayun Tomb and all those important places of Delhi. And here in map, you also can see the locations of those places. Can zoom it and can zoom out also. Here, if I click on the mark, it will show which place it is. It is that place name will be visible. Also, if you want to know about that place, like about Humayun Tomb, you can click on it and it will give details about Humayun Tomb and all those things. Also, here you can see the weather on that day on which the Humayun Tomb is scheduled. So this is the weather there at the Humayun Tomb. So it will help whether there is happening rain or not. So we can design our itinerary accordingly. So these are all the places, list of places. You can see the information. Here is the link. You can go to Wikipedia for more information also. If you want the day-to-day schedule, you can click on this button. Here you will get the day-to-day schedule of places which it has given earlier according to the dates you have selected. If you want to edit something in the this provided itinerary, you can edit. You can add if you want anything to add. Like for example, here I want to relax, so I can here add. And if I want to delete something, I can delete, and accordingly. If I want to download this in a text file, I can download. So here the file is getting downloaded. You can click over it. It is open in the text file. So the user can use this as a reference to plan his day and move around. This is the first thing. Second thing, I want some guides which can help me to visit these places. So if I click on the find guide button, it will show me the guides which have a region of expertise as Delhi in their profile. Like for example, I have searched for the Delhi. When I click on the find guides, those guides are listed whose region of expertise contain the location Delhi. For example, this one guide, first guide, if I click on it, you can see in the region of expertise, it has the Delhi region. So it got listed here and professional details and about me and all those things. Here, on clicking book my guide, you can book it. It will get to the payment interface and all those things. Here you can review and rate and all those things. We have already submitted, so that's the notification. Then moving to the other specifications, there is another option, make my trip below the trip planner. This is for those users which are uh, of random journey. Like for example, there are some users which want to visit a particular place like Delhi, but there are some users which want to visit some random locations of different places like Banaras, then India Gate, then moving to Nalanda, then Nalanda University, then moving to Kedarnath. So for those users, we have made this option. Here, what the user can do, the place he want to visit, he can put it here, drag it. So it will select it, add it. Let's see, he want to go then Banaras. We can select it, India. So this is one. We can add it. Let's say now we want to go to Kedarnath temple. Kedarnath temple. So we can add it. And here in the map, you can see it is weaving the path as well. So here you can see the path. Let's say I want to add one more. Mm, if I want to go to Jaipur, I can add it. So it is also get added. Now these four places I have selected. Now I want the shortest part from my current location to these four locations. So if I click on the shortest part button, the map will change accordingly. First, it will ask for your current location. So after that, it will show the shortest path connecting this 4 point from my current location. So this is the optimized. So first I will go to Varanasi, then India Gate, then Jaipur, and then Kedarnath, which is logically you should. You can also logically think about it will be the shortest. So it is this thing. So this is for us. Then explore places. Here, let's say I am currently at Taj Mahal and I want to know what are the uh, places like parks, restaurant, malls around it. So I can search for that place and all the important locations like hotels, restaurant, parks, cafes will be listed here. So if the user want to book a room, it can click over it. Here the email, phone number, website link is already all everything is given. So if the user want to book room, he can simply go to that page and will complete his work. Similarly for restaurant, for park. The opening hours is also given. So this is the thing. And last option come the find guides. Here all the guides, it is something like the marketplace of the guide. All the register guides which have been verified and validated by the admin will be listed here. Here we can apply the filters. Like I want to search a particular guide, name Arun. So I can search over it and it will get, so all those guide which contains the Arun name are getting listed out here. If I want to search by location, then I can search according to it also. So this guide contains Mumbai as their region of expertise. That's why they are getting listed. For example, this. Here are some advanced feature as well. Minimum price, maximum price. These are the price of this. So if I want maximum price to be 100, rating is any, so apply filters. So that guide is listed which have their rate lesser than 100. So this is find guide option. Going to home, this is the main user page. And these are all options which we have given to the user. Then comes the profile of the user. Here is the profile photo. You can view it. If you want, you can change it from here. Then this is the name, email ID, phone number. These are the credentials of. I can edit in here as well. Like for example, I selected this option. Okay, I selected this one more. And let's say I either one more language and want to save it. So it will get saved. You can see it, French is getting reflected. Here also. So this is the thing. Then we will move to guide interface. Let us look for a registered guide which have been already registered. Let us visit it. So this is the interface of the register guide. Upon logging in, it will firstly see his total earnings, his upcoming trips, pending request, and all those things. Here, when we initiate the payment or when a particular user books a guide, firstly, a request comes to the guide. He can accept it or reject it according to its availability. It depends upon it. And if he wants, here the chat option. If you want, he can chat with the user as well. Availability, it is something like this. It is for user and guide as well to show that whether they are available at that particular date or not. This is the profile of guide. Profile photo, name, email ID, these things. We can change it. But I'll get updated. Place location, year of experience, language spoken, look, areas of expertise. This part is important for sorting of the guides. And this is private verification and payment. This is something which could only be visible to admin. The user will visible up to this part only. Up to this part only. This is the below part is for the admin only. So here Aadhaar number, PAN number, everything are being asked and their photocopies are also being asked. This is something for verification and validation. And the payment details. Save the changes. This is the guide interface. Okay. Now, now let us see the forgot password functionality. let us say I have forgot my password. So I have to enter the registered email ID. So it will send a reset link over it. Password reset link sent to your email. So password link, it has been sent on the email. So we will check the email. So here you can see reset my trip planner. It has come just now. If I click on the password link, I can change my password, whatever I want it to be. So password has been reset. Once the password is resetted, it will again come to the login page. Now let us register as a new user. Now in the password section, you will get the suggestions to build a strong password, and these are important. Otherwise, you can't be able to. Like for example, if I entered only the numbers, the account will not be created because here you will show the notification. So you have to fulfill all conditions. A and then a special character. All everything is done. Then only you can log in. Now let us log in as a guide firstly. So hmm, once the guide is a new when a new guide login registers, then on profile you he will see something like this. Here what is highlighted that um, the newly registered guide have to upload all the necessary document which further will get validated by the admin. When the admin gets it validated, then only this newly registered guide will be visible in the marketplace to the users. So everything you have to fill. Here the OTP service is also present, and here everything you have to fill. So once they have, all details have been filled, this red mark, this the disclaimer will be gone off. So this is all about our project. Hope you would like it. Thank you.